All right, so coming up here when it gets a little bit darker to celebrate America's 250. Oh, you filming too, Rocky? Good, good. To celebrate America's 250th anniversary, I'm gonna pour some gasoline into this old fire pit here that I really don't use anymore, haven't really used in years. It's got a couple old pallets and an old Christmas tree in there. So we're gonna pour some gasoline in it and shoot a Roman candle at it, and that's all. And it should be a lot of fun. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dad.
The camera on there. Okay, now stand back, buddy. All right. All right, so here we are. We're gonna burn out all the old crap in the fire pit. Because why not? Yep. You gotta stand back, bud. Okay. Okay.
Hi, Joe.
There we. Oh, it saw you. Okay, that's why you need to stay over there and stay behind it. Okay, buddy. All right. Here we go. Stand back, everybody. Stay there, buddy.
Okay. Go through it, Joe.
Woo. There we go. All right. What? You need a fire truck?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? America. All right.
Do again.
Wasn't as big as I thought it was going to be, but trying to play it safe. What do you think, Rocky?
Do again.
Well, I can't do it again. We already got it going.
No.
And now we're just going to let it burn. Okay? What? So anyway, yeah, now we'll just let that burn off, and then I'll figure out what I'm going to do with that. Yeah, we can do some more. Bring them over here. But yeah, I never use it anymore. It's all overgrown and nasty. Here, you want to hold it?
Yeah, sure.
All right, come here. Here, no. Here, come here.
Okay.
Put those back.
Oh.
Here.
Ooh.
Yeah, just leave them down there. That's fine. All right, come here. You gotta hold it and keep it pointed at the fire, though, bud.
I want to do it.
Come here. Come here. You don't want to do it? Oh.
Daddy.
Well, you better go get. Oh shit! It came right back at me. You forgot that one on there. What?
Fire truck. Dad, where's the fire? Dad. Where's the fire truck?
I wonder if I can change the mode while it's in flight mode. Keep going, bud. All right, well, that concludes our little video. Hope you guys liked it. Like I said, it wasn't as big of a fireball as I'd hoped, but now Rocky's trying to put out the fire, even though I told him I wanted it to keep burning, but that's all right. Good job, buddy. Way to put that out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and share if you found it entertaining, or the least bit enjoyable, or even if you didn't like it. Share it anyway. I don't care. All right, good job, buddy.